I thought it was farther back.
No, we had to squeeze. We had to meet the coast back then.
Yeah.
Because it was just all new construction. And so yeah, and after I don't know. Cool.
That's pretty
Got
nice.
a little light up there.
Go.
You don't have to do it there. Yeah, go ahead and take everybody's. And then hand it to me when you're done and I'll get you. Summer, there she goes.
According to today's building codes, chest.
But then there is a deep spot further out.
Yeah.
There's
Well, over toward the Moose over here to the west, there's a 45-foot or so.
and that's the deepest place in the lake. It was what, 5 small lakes?
This thing was 5 little ponds. One was over here. There's another one you need to see for it. So anyway, I did. And Dean set it up. And then he called back and he says, you know, Gorp is going to want an MRI of your neck. And, you know, if we do that before you go see him, it saves you a trip coming back to get the damn MRI done. So he set all that up. Because, you know, Dean's talking to the NP that
Right.
works for Gorp, and they got everything all
Yeah,
scheduled.
typical, you know.
So we went down, got
Assistants.
that done, then when I
Right.
saw Gorp, the MRI's there. And basically, you know, I made it pretty clear that I wasn't thinking about surgery. That's what he does.
Hey, boy.
But it was a starting point. And so,
There he goes.
whoops. And
Mary's smiling.
anyways, he referred me to one of the anesthesiology gal that does the epidural steroid injection, which was set up. And he says, you know, I know one of these, there's
Get little plates inserted.
oh,